Hey everyone, how's it going? For today's fun video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a Nether Portal Surprise Fold from the new Minecraft movie. So I hope you follow along and enjoy this video today. Now to start off with our Nether Portal Surprise Fold, let's begin by folding our paper. I'm going to line up the corners and give it a nice fold right down the middle. Then I'm going to line up the corners one more time and give it another nice fold. Next, when I open it up, I have these nice little guidelines that show me where I want to keep the inside of my drawing. And I like to turn my paper this way for the fun surprise. Now to start off with this, let's begin by drawing our Nether portal. So I'm going to start right here at the bottom, and I'm going to begin by making a line that's going to come up. It's going to go above the fold like this. Then I'm going to do the same thing here. We're going to go up. And we're going to go above the fold. Then we're just going to come across here. Next, let's make another line that's going to come up here. And we're going to go a little bit higher. And then same thing here. Let's just go up and a little bit higher. Then we're going to make this kind of like bumpy top on here as I come across. Just add a little bit of fun detail. I'm going to make a little line that's going to go up, over, and down. And then kind of like a little bumpy like square shape, or I should say rectangle shape up here. Then over here, I'm going to make a little kind of bumpy line that goes over. I'm going to bring this kind of up and over. Then we're going to kind of come down and in. And let's just kind of do that same thing here. Kind of go over and up, go across, kind of go down, and then in. Then let's make this line kind of come down at an angle, then straight down. Same thing here. Kind of give it a little more of like a 3D look. Do that same thing here, down and over. Kind of go down and over. Then we can just kind of make some little broken lines on here. Some can be kind of straight across lines, but they can be different sizes. Just kind of gives it a little bit more of like that brick look or stone look. I even like to add some little lines that just kind of come up and down. This is really totally up to you how you guys want to do this, but I just kind of like to add some of these little lines on here. And just kind of makes it look a little bit more interesting. We can even do that up here too. That way it's just not like a plain old, just, empty block there. Now, our next step is to open this up and draw the inside. Now, once we open this up, we have two halves of our Nether portal. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm just going to kind of bring each one of these lines down just a little bit. Nothing too crazy. And we'll do this one up. So the first thing we want to do is I'm just going to make kind of like a wavy line across here. And then just kind of like a wavy line across here, just to kind of show where our nether is. Now the first character we want to draw is, let's make the Enderman. So to begin, I'm going to draw a line that's going to go down, and then a line that's going to come down. Then I'm going to bring this line across with some little bumps. Then I'm going to make another line that kind of comes across here with some bumps. We're going to go down, over, and then up. Then we're just going to come down and down. And a second line down, and then down here. Next, I'm going to bring this line across and connect it. Then we're going to make 2 rectangle shape eyes right here for our Enderman. Then we're going to go down, over, and up for the neck. And then we'll go over and down, over and down. We'll draw a line here and a line here, just to show where the body and arms are. Next, over here, let's make a Minecraft Piglin. So let's begin by making kind of like a squared shape for the nose. Then we're going to make 2 curved lines. And we'll kind of color in some area on here. We'll make a line that goes down and down. And a line across. Go down, over, and then up. We'll make a triangle and a triangle. And then some little square teeth at the bottom and a few on the top. Next, let's make a diagonal on each side of the nose. Down and in for the eyes of our little piglin. Next, let's go up, over, and down. Then we're going to come out, down, and in. Out, down, and in. Next, we're going to come up, over, and then down. And then we'll make 2 little lines here. For the ears, we're just going to go down and over, down and over. Then we're just going to kind of come down and over here, and we'll do a little line down and a line here. We can make some little diagonal lines and a couple lines here. And 2 little lines here. Now, over here, let's make a Minecraft skeleton. So, let's begin by making a line that comes down. And we'll make another line here. We'll go down, over, and up. Down, over, and up. Let's curve a line around here for the nose. Then let's make 2 little lines that we kind of color in. We're going to leave a little space. We'll make a line across the top of each eye. And we're going to curve this line around and curve this line around. Then we're going to bring this line down and over. And this line down and over. Then we're going to come down, over, and up. And we'll just make a bunch of little teeth on here. Curve this around, curve this around. We'll come down, over, and then up. Make a couple little broken lines right there. And we're going to bring this line up, over, and down. And we'll put a couple little broken lines on some little details on here. We'll make a little rectangle shape here. And we'll make another one here. And we'll make some lines here for like the rib cage. Now up here, let's do a Minecraft spider. So let's begin with the fangs. So I'm going to begin by making like a rectangle shape here. And then I'll make another rectangle shape right here. We're going to put a little square bump at the end of each one. We'll do another little rectangle shape here. And one more over here. Next, we're going to go up, over, and then down. And connect in here. Then we'll do a little line that kind of comes down and connects. We're going to make a square for an eye, and then another square for an eye, kind of rounded. We'll do one here, and then one here. And then we'll do some small little squares over here to kind of give it that 8-eye look. We're going to round off a square here. And then one here. Then we'll kind of make another square here. And then one here. A little square at the bottom. Then we'll make a couple more little square shapes around here for legs. And then a big square shape over here for the body. Then for our last character up here, let's add a Minecraft ghast. So let's begin by drawing a line that's just going to kind of come up and like a check mark, and then another one here. We'll go down and down, down, and then down. We'll make a little line underneath each one. Then we'll go over, down, and then in. And then down here for the mouth. Kind of curve it around. I'm going to go up and down for the eyebrows. Then we're just going to make kind of like a line that goes up, over, and down. And we'll come down and connect. I'll make a line right here. Make a line underneath each one, with some lines coming down underneath the eyes. And we'll draw a couple little lines down here for the legs. Then, starting here, I'm just going to make this kind of like wavy line coming right around here. And this will just kind of help show where like the Nether portal is kind of like popping out. We'll connect this up here. And there you go. There is your drawing of a Minecraft movie Nether portal. When we have it all closed up, we have our Nether portal, and then when we open it, we can see we got a bunch of the Nether characters coming out of it. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.